have to discuss with you, that is the concept of functions. So when we talk about functions here in the case of JavaScript, like we have already been using the functions like console.log, that is function. Here there are many functions which we have seen till now. But if I talk about that, what are the functions which we are going to study now, that is going to be the second type of functions. There are basically two types of functions. First one is the built-in functions. Built-in functions or library functions, or you can say predefined functions. These are all the same thing. And when we talk about the next type, that is user-defined functions. Okay. And the user-defined functions are of 4 different types. So first one is no argument, no return type, no argument, no return type. Then we are having no argument with return type. So no argument with return type. With argument, no return type. With argument, no return type, and with argument with return type. With argument with return type. So these are the different types of functions, and here it is, file 16.js. Okay, so here I'm taking function. So for the function, like firstly I'm taking no argument, no return type. So here function keyword is used when you want to create a function in the case of JavaScript. Function keyword is used when you want to create a function in JavaScript. Suppose say hello, I have created a function and I'm just printing hello world. Okay, this only I printed. But it will not work right now. Let me show you. It's my agenda to show it to you that when it works, when it does not work. We are not calling the function. We have just defined the function. We have not yet called the function. So in case I would like to run it, so it will be simply giving us no output, you can see. Okay, what is the code? This is 16th. Okay, so here you can see it's not giving us any output because we have not called this function, but now I am calling it. So now when I will run this function, so you will be able to see hello world is getting printed. As many as times you are going to run this, you are going to get this hello world printed. Okay, as many as time you will run it, you will be getting the hello world printed. So it's really simple, and it's no argument, no return type. No argument means that you're not giving any value inside this parameter list. When you are not giving any value inside this parenthesis, then it is no argument. When you are not using the return keyword, then there's no return type. Okay, when we are not using the arguments inside this parameters, or you can say the parenthesis, so simply that is no argument. And when you are not using the return keyword, it's known as no return type, simply. Now let's move further and check the another types. As I discussed that there are 4 different types. It's really simple and there are different ways to work with it, so I would like to tell all of them one by one. That will be simply interesting to understand and learn. So file 17.js. This time I am taking here no argument, with argument, no return type. This time I am considering, okay, with arguments, no return type. So function keyword I have taken, and then say hello, suppose I have taken. And this time I'm taking an argument here. This is an argument, the parameter which we pass inside the parenthesis, that is known as an argument. So here I'm just printing hello there. And here I have given the name by myself. Okay, I have given the name. And this time I am giving this variable name. Okay, so what will be happening? Let's see. I am calling this say hello 2 times. And as you know that this is asking for a variable here, for a parameter here, you can say an argument here. So when I will run this code, so you can see, sorry. I think there is some other error which I have made. Let me check. Object anonymous, not defined. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, we are getting, actually it was not properly visible. Let's run it once again. I'm just opening this terminal here completely. So here it says Anamika is not defined. Okay. Uh, Fine. I'm really sorry. I just wanted to do it like this. Okay. So say hello. Once I'm calling, I'm not passing any value, and this time I'm passing. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, let's see this. So here you can see, once it is printing hello there Anamika, once it is printing hello there undefined. Because we have not passed any value here, that's why it's giving us undefined. Okay, so now let's say one time I am just giving here some value also. Suppose I am giving here Aman. Okay, so this Aman will be simply assigned to this name, and this name is here. That means it will be saying hello world. Oh, sorry, not hello world. Hello there, Aman. So again, uh, once again, this Aman is a name. Hmm. So here you can see, once it is saying undefined because we are printing it twice, and once we have taken this name which I am printing and there is no parameter passed here, no argument passed here, so it is giving us undefined. Undefined is a data type in the case of JavaScript. You know it very well. We have already studied about it previously. Undefined is not an error. Like in other programming languages, it will be giving error. But here it's not giving us the error. It's just saying it's undefined. The value is not defined here. Simple. Okay, so I hope this format is getting clear to you. Now, one more program we shall see today, and that is going to be the program number 18.js. So here, same question I'm taking, same program I'm taking. Say hello, name argument we have taken, and the another way to print the values, hello there, suppose, another way which we have discussed previously, and that is this $1 and the name. And suppose here I'm writing, how are you? Okay, so this is here, and then I'm just taking say hello and Sam or Samir. Okay, okay, so this time it will be definitely working perfectly fine, and it will be giving us the output. Samir, okay, Samir here. Where is the 18 program? This is here. So say hello, and this name. Okay. I hope you have analyzed the error. In case you have not analyzed, so let me tell you, this tilde symbol has to be used here, okay, not the double quotes. When you are using this dollar, so you have to use this backticks. Okay, so here you can see it is able to capture the name value, and it's just getting us the hello there, Samir, how are you? That's working absolutely fine. There is one more method which I would like to show it to you today only to work with the functions. There is one more important method which is very important actually. So let me discuss that right away. Suppose I have taken a function greet, and now this time I'm like using, let me tell you this also, that is no argument with return type. I'm telling, okay. So I have just returned return keyword hello world, suppose. Okay, and now I can call it directly like this. I could have directly called it like this, like I am calling greet. It will work. Okay, what is happening? The program number 19. Yes, it will definitely work. That is not the problem here. You can see it's not printing anything. Why? The reason is that when you are simply taking the return keyword, so return is going to return the value of the function, but it is not a printing statement. It won't be able to print the value. For that, you have to store it somewhere. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking a variable here. Let's say var greetings, a variable I have taken. And inside this variable, I have stored this greet function. So now when I log this greetings, so it will work. Or there is another way also to work with it. That is, you can directly print it with the console.log. If you do not want to assign it with a variable, you can take this function here. Both will be working. So here you can see. So this is no argument with return type. We are using the return statement. That's why it's a with return type. Quite simple. Okay.